What's up everybody? This is Coach Billy.
Si Kuya Billy parang the best kuya talaga. Parang every time na magkakasama kami dito, every time nagsasalita siya, lagi ako nakikinig sa kanya kasi may mapupulot talaga akong something. May mapupulot akong aral galing kay Kuya Billy. Galing. Amazing. Hindi ko lalabanin yun. Hindi ko kakalabanin. Katakot yun. Katakot.
Si Coach Billy, since siya yung pinakamatanda, siya yung pinakamatanda sa amin, siya yung tinuturing namin, kuya. Alam mo yung, kaya niya kasing i-handle lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Parang, he's very so good at that. And we've always looked up to him since nag-start yung The Voice Generations.
Si Kuya Billy, very articulate siya. So, kayang-kaya niya kunin yung loob ng mga bata through his words na very sincere and very may pagka-mature. Kasi syempre, dati na si Coach Billy, alam niya kung paano mag-handle ng mga bata.
What's up everybody? This is Coach Billy. I'm one of the coaches of The Voice Kids.